Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Tuesday, June 3rd. Here are today's top headlines. ACHR Aviation has entered the next phase of its midnight flight test program, conducting piloted flights that demonstrated speeds up to 125 miles per hour and altitudes over 1,500 feet, while showcasing the aircraft's ability to perform both vertical and conventional takeoffs and landings. This phase will focus on validating key flight control systems, stability, and performance data to support certification and commercialization efforts. WeRide and Renault Group have renewed their partnership to provide a Level 4 autonomous Robobus shuttle service at the 2025 Roland-Garros tournament, following the service's successful debut last year. This year's expanded offering includes a new night route, showcasing the Robobus reliability in complex, low-light urban environments. Canadian Solar's e-storage division successfully completed large-scale fire testing for its SolBank 3.0 energy storage system, demonstrating that it can contain thermal events within a single enclosure. The test, conducted under rigorous standards, confirmed SolBank's compliance with key fire safety protocols for utility-scale energy storage. 3D Systems is collaborating with Penn State, Arizona State, and NASA on 2 projects to develop advanced thermal management solutions for spacecraft using additive manufacturing. These innovations include lightweight titanium heat pipe radiators with embedded porous networks and deployable nitinol radiators, both designed to improve heat dissipation and enable higher power operation in extreme space environments.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.